Hey guys, what's up? It's Alexandria here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I refresh my braids when they get a little fuzzy and you want to hold on to them just a little while longer. So keep watching if you want to know how I refresh these month-old braids to make them look relatively new. Let's refresh these fuzzy, crusty, dusty braids. So I've had these braids in for about 3.5 weeks. I might be creeping up on a month, and I need to record some videos, like congratulatory videos. I have a friend's birthday that's coming up and they want everyone to send like a birthday message, so I have a couple of videos that I need to do, and I was like, I cannot be coming on here with my hair looking crusty, so we're gonna refresh these braids. So I only use like 3 products to refresh my braids, and I'm gonna just get right into it. So usually I like to have some moisture to help hydrate the braids. Sometimes if it's real fuzzy, I will also like wet my hair some or wash it before I do this process, but today I'm not going to do that. If I do wash these braids before I take them out, it'll probably be over the weekend, and this is a school night, so I'm going to just moisturize my hair a little bit. And I didn't even show what this was, but everyone knows what this is. The Mielle, I don't know how to pronounce it. The Mielle rosemary hair oil. So I get that in there, you know, do what I need to do. And then the next product I use is my gummy. This is like the best edge control for me right now. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if anyone else experiences this, but like an edge control will work on my hair for like a couple months, and then I have to switch because it'll just stop working. So this one has been working for me for a good little while, maybe 6 to 8 months. So hopefully it stays working. Basically what I do is I take some of this gummy and then I just go along my parts and kind of tame my flyaways. So I just do that on all the main parts that are visible, especially, you know, the ones in the middle, along the middle part. So I do that. Sometimes if I want to be really precise, I will take like a little rat tail comb and I'll put it in here in between the parts to really kind of lay it down. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm not going anywhere. This is after work, and so I'm going to be going to bed in a couple hours. But if I was like going out somewhere, then I would do that process. But basically I like to hit kind of like these top braids, putting some edge control along the parts and smoothing down my flyaways. Sometimes if like the second row is looking a little extra fuzzy, I'll do that row as well. Then after I've kind of just like laid that edge control down, then I take my brush and kind of try to redefine the parts. So I'll do that. And you can already tell like it's laying down and looks a lot better. Alright, so we got like the first kind of row-ish looking pretty good. And then from there, this next step is probably the most quote unquote controversial. Oh wait, hold on. I forgot to lay my edges down. So then after I do that, I go and I hit my edges, of course, with a little swoop. Dee-doo. So I hit all along my edges. A little swoop. Alright, so this is what the edges are looking like. They're looking a lot more slick, a lot more laid down. And then we get to the most controversial part of this whole thing, which is using some got-to-be glue spray. And I spray it down the middle of my part and along the top. I'll let it sit for a little while, you know, really soak in there. And then my last step that I do is I grab a scarf. You got to grab a good one that's going to stay on tight. Because you know some of those scarves, they love to get lost in the middle of the night and disappear off your head. You need one that's going to be real tight. So I take my scarf. And then I just tie the top of my hair down. And I make this thing super tight, as you can tell. It's I'll tie my scarf on. I'll wait for probably about 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on what I'm doing. Like right now, I'm gonna, you know, do some like super quick makeup to get ready to shoot these videos. And then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like at the end. Alright, so I did a little bit of light makeup so I could get ready for my big video debut. And so I'm gonna take my scarf off. I'm going to be honest with you. Normally, I'd probably keep this on a little while longer, but it's still looking good. So as you can see, my hair is a lot more laid down. When you look from the side, there's no fuzzies popping up in the middle. This is what it looks like on top from this side as well. So it just looks overall a lot more clean and nice. This is what my edges are looking like. Everything doesn't look perfect. Like the braids definitely obviously look worn, but it looks a whole lot better than where I started. They look pretty fresh and they look like, okay, maybe she got her hair done, you know, 2 weeks ago instead of 4 weeks ago. And so that was the whole point. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm hopping back into YouTube for the first time in a while and would love to know what you guys are interested in. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.